Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. PHP OPcache package is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via importing PPA repo as shown. Run the command below to reflect on PPA. Then install PHP by running the next command. Once installed, check the version of PHP currently installed on the system by running the next command. Then install the PHP OPcache as shown. Configure PHP to use the OPcache extension by updating your PHP file with the following recommended settings. Modify the following lines. Restart your Apache for the changes to take effect. Check the version of PHP again, it will show the OPcache extension in the output as follows. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.